how to set up the dark mode in your laptop on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Dark mode can be beneficial for reducing the eye strain, especially in the low light conditions. So if you want to set it up, here is a walkthrough. So to get started with, open the Windows setting. You can open settings by right-clicking on the start button and then going on settings option. Once you open the settings, from the left side of your screen, tap on the personalization. Once you tap on personalization, you will also see a list of options again. From there, you have to select on colors. The first option you will see is choose your mode. From there, if you click on the drop down menu, you can select on the dark option, and this way, you have successfully set up the dark theme on your Windows. However, if you want to do it in a more easy way, there's another way out as well. For that, you just have to tap on the search bar and type in turn on dark mode. You will see the same settings and it'll be good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.